So now that we've built our first floor, so what we're going to do is we're going to install the stairs. So first we'll go back to our ground floor plan, and in the architecture tab we have a circulation panel. There's our stair. So we'll select stair. So in here we have again our mode, so we got the red X to finish, green tick to complete and accept. Next is a different type of components. We have a straight stair, we have a full step spiral, center end stair, L shape and a U shape. These are predefined components. With the stair there, the UK building regs are built into these stairs. So all we have to do is when we draw our stairs, right now we're on our ground floor, so the base constraint will automatically be the ground floor. So the next level up will be the next level in our floor plans for the project browser. So it'll automatically go to the first floor. So it's going to calculate the goings and risers referring back to the UK building regs and work out how many you actually need. So just to quickly place one, I'm going to use these straight stairs. Click once to start, move my cursor around, and you can see if I zoom in grey text there, it says that I've got 2 risers created and 2 remaining. So when I continue moving my cursor, you'll see how many have created and how many are remaining. So to finish off, you just run the cursor all the way to the end of the stairs, click to place. So now we've created our stairs. We're still in the editor mode, so to completely finish everything, we've got to select the green tick. And then if you go to our 3D mode, you can see there is our stair. So using the straight run, if I wanted to draw in a U shape or an unusual shape, if I click to start, specify how many risers I want to create. So at the moment I've got 5. Click again. So I've done a 5-run stair. So remaining in the stair creation mode, wherever I click again to start, the software will generate a landing between those 2 points. So again, there's another 8. So clicking again and it will generate the landing between. Green tick to finish. So I can do 10 steps, clicking again and completing to finish off the 18. Green tick to finish. So sticking with the straight run, the options I have here in the options bar, I've got my location line. So right now, when we created those stairs, the run was just on the center. We can change it to the exterior support on the left-hand side, the run on the left-hand side, the run center, which we've been using, the run to the right-hand side, or the exterior support to the right-hand side. So if I go exterior support left, you see the location line on the left-hand side of the run. I can also specify an offset. So when I run my location line, it'll be 1000 below. I can also specify the width of my run. So by default, it will be 1000. So if I increase that to say 3000, when I make my stairs, the width of the stairs is now 3000. And lastly is the automatic landing. So if I didn't want that landing to appear each time I clicked my mouse, I can turn that off. Okay, so with the full step spiral, I'll just change the width. I'm going to specify the center point, just moving the cursor out then to specify the radius. Again, I can change the width, offset, and so on. Next, I've got the center end spiral. So specifying the center point and the end. And once I specify the end, then I'll move my cursor along to specify how many risers I want to create. And I can start again, and again the landing will automatically generate. Then I have the L-shape winder. Again, I've got all my options here. With this one, we'll just simply click and place it. And same again with the U-shape winder.